My name's David Feehan. I am Managing Director of Tapestry Music Limited. I'm a musician and I am a music teacher. I started teaching in 1973 after years of playing in bands, or even back before that I got headhunted into the New Zealand Opera Company. It's been quite a fun ride, really. My customers vary. I'm going in and producing CDs and looking after their royalties and looking after contracts. Especially with the business advice and the tax returns, there aren't really a lot of people who have that knowledge of the technological side of it. I've been using Geeks on Wheels for 15 years and I will keep using them for at least the next 15 years. The reason I chose Geeks on Wheels was I liked their car. I thought it was cool. And then when I got them in the first couple of visits I had, I just fell in love with the whole attitude of Geeks on Wheels and how they spoke to me. They didn't speak to me as though I was a technological idiot, which I am. They spoke to me in language that I could understand. And when that happens and you're not good at computers, you got a friend for life. It's just a really nice feeling and it's a friendly feeling. Yeah, what's not to like?